Making a broccoli ham hot dish. First you're gonna have to melt 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine and take a cup of breadcrumbs and stir it in with that and then set aside. And melt 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and then you're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, don't want to burn the flour. Add 1 onion in there. I'm just adding a small. You can add more if you want. And then add 1.5 cups of milk. And you're going to cook until the sauce becomes thick. It's thick now. I got this over medium heat. Now what you're going to do is add some cubed ham. I got an 8-ounce thing of ham in here. This is something that a lot of people cook ham for Christmas. This is something that you can make with the leftover ham. See, it's made a gravy. Now you're going to pre-cook 1 cup of rice. You can use any kind of rice you want. I'm using white rice. If you don't have an oven-safe skillet, then you can pour this into a casserole dish. Okay, so let's stir that in there. Then you're going to use some broccoli I got some broccoli florets here. I got them frozen. You can stir those in, or you can use fresh broccoli. You don't have to use frozen. Have your oven preheating. You can turn this off now. At 350 degrees. I'm going to add maybe around a cup of cheddar cheese, shredded. I got sharp cheddar. I'm just going to spread it on top like that. The breadcrumbs that you had in the melted butter in the beginning, you're going to sprinkle that all over the top. You're going to put this in your 350 degree oven and bake it for 30 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. Breadcrumbs are brown on top. It smells really good. I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll get into it and try it. I'm going to plate some up. Let's see what it looks like. Cheese melted on the top. Bring it up and let you see what it looks like. I'm going to try it for you. I made some corn and then I sprinkled some of the salad supreme and the corn. I really like this stuff, especially with the corn. I'm going to try it for you. You see the cheese melted on top here. The broccoli. You see the rice, ham. This is a really good meal. And like I said, if you have leftover ham at Christmas, dice it up, shred it up, and make this. It is really, really good. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.